Let's explore.
Where are we today, Phil?
Tamworth.
And what's Tamworth the home of?
Country music in Australia.
So guess what there's going to be a lot of today?
Country music?
I think so.
Maybe we should find some on Spotify for the drive. I'm going to do it.
Okay, you can do it. And we've got a friend who's given us some recommendations, and we might even see if we can get a copy of his stuff. We are starting our day at the Tourist Information Centre, home of the Golden Guitar. The Golden Guitar is 12 metres high and was built in 1988, and it is a replica of the Golden Guitar trophy that is given at the Country Music Awards each year. Along with great information at the Tourist Information Centre, you will find Wax Museum and the Guitar Museum.
Misty morning sunrise takes away my breath.
The Wax Museum, the Gallery of Stars.
Is mine to rest as I pull on my work boots and my old felt hat. I put my Bible back in my knapsack because I'm counting my blessings. There's more than a few, and I'm trusting your word, Lord.
One of Australia's more well-known, Smokey Dawson. I don't know who he is.
Make it hard to see. Rock hard ground and plowing fields is today's recipe. When I step off the track,
We finish with one that I actually know really well. Now we're going to move into the Guitar Museum.
my thoughts turn to you because I'm counting my blessings. There's more than a few, and I'm trusting your word, Lord, because I know that it's true.
Yes, that is a rifle on the neck of a guitar.
Grubby hands and grinning face, my kids run to me, love and wife with glowing eyes, on the porch step, as my arms go around them, for a hug and a kiss.
Are you into country music? Have you got a favourite Australian country music artist? Let us know in the description below, and let us know a song they sing.
There's more than a few.
We've had an absolutely amazing visit at the country music at the Tourist Information Centre and the museum there. It's got the Wax Museum and the Guitar Museum, both very interesting. We're now heading into town. We're crossing the river. Tourist Information Centre told us about some free parking, so we've parked there, and now we're heading into town to check out all the sights around there. Obviously been a flood at some point down the river. This is the Peel River. Damn lovelocks have made it to Tamworth. Lots of carnage from the flood. How amazing is this outdoor playground? Got a really beautifully laid out war memorial area, remembrance garden. There is more to Tamworth than just country music. Bicentennial Park is home to the War Memorial Remembrance Garden and the Bust Walk of Fame, as well as some amazing artwork and places to
Still
hang.
driving me crazy, but I'm crazy about her. She drives me wild, but she makes me smile. My life's never boring, and she's full of surprise. She drives me crazy, but it's all worthwhile. Her love is priceless, like a fresh spring morning. Her sweetness melts me. I can't stop adoring those green eyes dancing. Keep my
Cricket oval in the centre of Tamworth. Very well kept. Gorgeous row of plane trees.
winds me up like a spring. She's still driving me
Country
crazy.
music hands of fame.
I'm crazy about her. She's driving me wild, but she makes me smile. My life's never boring, and she's full of surprises. She's driving me crazy,
Where's yours,
but
Pete
it's all
Armstrong?
worthwhile. I'm changed from a
I
sick
found your spot, Pete.
with a rock and roll.
With our wander around the gardens complete, and I want to thank Peter Armstrong for his amazing music. Check out the link to his website down below. We're going to check out the town a little bit and find some lunch. What do you think?
It's nice to sit down. It's warm outside. It's cool in here.
Nice place,
Quite nice,
eh?
isn't it?
You enjoying Tamworth?
Yeah, it's nice.
Got your country on?
Not yet. We'll try later.
What have you got, Phil?
Steak and chips.
Looks good. Good. And I have a chicken and leek pie. Our Art Deco themed lunch was amazing. Well, the food wasn't Art Deco, the restaurant was. And we headed back out to town, wandered through the park before we went for a rest for a bit. One of my most favourite things in the world, an Australian windmill. Once we rested, we hopped back in the car and headed back up to Oxley Lookout to watch the day end, but not before driving again through a bit more of town. Pig and Tinder restaurant in that building is quite popular. It's also
Misty morning sunrise takes away my breath.
There's a koala in the path and a crab. We missed what's up there. A fish. It does. I thought the koala was a turtle, but I was proved wrong when we looked at it the right way.
I put my Bible back in my knapsack because I'm counting my blessings. There's more than a few.
Phil made the comment, they're all the same colour. Let us know in the comments below how often you see gardens these days with roses all the same colour with hundreds of bushes. I'd really love to know.
When I step off the tractor, grab my lunch and a brew.
That must be a different town out there.
Mm-hmm.
Too far to be Tamworth. Looks like that.
Yeah. He's still got down on him, this fella.
I'm trusting your word, Lord, 'cause I know that it's true. Counting my blessings, there's more than a few. And I'm trusting your word, Lord, 'cause I know that it's true. Because I'm counting my
At
blessings.
the top end of the lookout,
There's more than a
and
few.
get a different Tamworth perspective.
I'm trusting your word, Lord.
As always, thanks for joining us. Travel
Travel
brilliantly.
brilliantly.
Bye.
Bye.
If you liked what you saw today and you want to see more, check out our Northern New South Wales playlist or find us on social. Until next time.